On the Ickonic .connect the news show this week, I'm so excited. It's the coronation. I can't wait to pledge my allegiance and my homage to a mega privileged moron who is an agent for the World Economic Forum that wants to destroy this country and every other country. And it's a conspiracy theory, right? Oh, yeah. Some people said that they would want to monitor and dictate everything that we eat. That's conspiracy theory. Yes, conspiracy theory. Oh, they're mad, them people. New York has just announced that is what they're going to do. And China is reported to be wanting to reassemble the world order, which some of us have been saying was the plan for decades past. But don't worry about that. It's the coronation. So excited. That's the Ickonic .connect the news show from 7 p.m. every Friday, and you can take out the free 7-day trial whenever you like.